Across manufacturing, organisations face increasing pressure to deliver lighter, more functional and more customised products at speed, at scale and with a lower environmental impact. Traditional manufacturing often struggles to meet these demands, especially when products require integrated functionality, complex geometries or rapid design iteration. As industries push for smarter, more sustainable solutions, the challenge is no longer just making parts, it's rethinking what parts can do, how they are designed and how they are produced. At the Centre for Additive Manufacturing, we help industry turn ambitious ideas into advanced, fully functional products using world-leading 3D printing research and innovation. We support partners in developing components that are lighter, smarter and engineered for next generation performance. Whether it's functional electronics, multifunctional structures, printed polypills or entirely new material architectures, our focus is simple: create manufacturable solutions that deliver a step change benefit and unlock new design freedoms. What sets IfAM apart is our unique capability to integrate material science, additive manufacturing processes, computational design and functional integration. We bring these together under one roof to develop multifunctional components that conventional manufacturing cannot produce. Our research spans polymers, metals, ceramics and all manner of functional materials, enabling bespoke material properties and embedded functionality. We work closely with industry to accelerate innovation, reduce development risks, translate cutting-edge research into practical, production-ready applications. Our breakthroughs have enabled world-first demonstrators, from 3D printed functional electronic devices, fully printed polypills containing multiple drugs, all through to structural components with integrated sensing. We collaborate with leading industrial partners across aerospace, automotive, healthcare, defence, energy and consumer products, delivering solutions with proven performance, improved sustainability and significant reductions in development time. If you're exploring what additive manufacturing could enable for your products or processes, we'd love to talk. Visit our website or contact our team to arrange a discussion, demonstration or collaborative workshop.